blazing like crazy. I ain't driving on Miss Daisy. Wanna trace this? It's time to lay the track down, lay the Mac down. I see the ladies be shaking the body right. Walk with me, you talk with me. I show you things you never seen. Cause I know what you want and what you need. Gotta believe it, I mean it, what you wanna do. We ballin' until the morn, you know how we do. Shake, just shake, just shake that thing. It's on me, so lay your ass down and set free. And let's be acquainted, now's the time. If it gets wild, tame it, don't be shy. Cause I got moves so serious, mind state is curious. Whoa, get wild girl, cause ain't nobody here but us. Believe me, I'm pleasing and teasing. The reason simply being that I'm in the mood to give it to you. And you know the routine, baby, is what the deal coming through. What you gonna do, what you gonna do, what you gonna do, da, da. I'm right here, baby. So what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. So tell me, baby, what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. I'm right here, baby. So what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. Work your body like you're working this beat. While stepping like you're swaying in heat. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Keep it coming cause you know it's the shit. Work your body like you're working this beat. While stepping like you're swaying in heat. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Keep it coming cause you know it's the shit. Well, it's okay, I'm feeling like I'm on all fours. Behind closed doors, like a door with its front paws on the top of another bitch. Hitting the skins on the real tip, straight flipping, beginning to end. And again, keeps me rolling, it keeps me flowing, it keeps me rolling. Keeps me to keep from blowing. Whew. And you know it keeps your peeps from knowing what's going on in this room under sheets and clothing. What you gonna do, what you gonna do, what you gonna do, da, da. I'm right here, baby. So what you wanna do, what you gonna do, da, da. Is what the deal, baby. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do, da, da. I'm right here, baby. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do, da, da. Work your body like you're working this beat. While stepping like you're swaying in heat. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Keep it coming cause you know it's the shit. Work your body like you're working this beat. While stepping like you're swaying in heat. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Keep it coming cause you know it's the shit. It's all good, let's make moves and get in the mood to do something you wouldn't do. Girl, I'm feeling you. Work your body under, sip Bacardi under, wiggle your body and jiggle in a naughty way. I'm coming through, you know what to do. I got love for you, want a chance with you. There ain't no meaning to what I be feeling, baby, I mean it. You better believe it, my head be now spinning. So what you tell me, baby, what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. I'm over here, baby. So what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. It's what the deal, baby. So what you wanna do? What you gonna do, da, da. I'm right here, baby. So what you gonna do? What you gonna come on, da, da. Work your body like you're working this beat. Work that body like you're swaying in heat. Shake it, baby. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Let me see you work coming cause you know it's the shit. Let me see you sweat. Work your body like you're working this beat. Sweat for me, baby. Stepping like you're swaying in heat. Work it. And I got you dropping things so sweet. It's what the deal, baby. Coming cause you know it's the shit. That. Work your body like you're working this beat. Everybody, while stepping like you're swaying in heat. Sweat, baby. And I got you dropping things so sweet. Shake that ass. Coming cause you know it's the shit. Shake it. Work your body like you're working this beat. Sweat it. While stepping like you're swaying in heat. What you wanna do? And I got you dropping things so sweet. What you gonna do? Keep it coming cause you know it's the shit.
I can hear niggas talking, whispering in the dark. They like dogs with no bark. When I pull over and park, and them guns start to spark, and them bullets finally mark. Niggas outlining chalk, and I speak from the heart. When I say that I kill you, it's simple and plain. Don't say shit about Drake, and don't mention the game. This industry is fake, and I can't understand how a grown ass man sent the bitch to the pen. How you snitch on the stand? He a bitch like his man. Eat a dick for a grand. Eminem call me Stan. I'ma say it again. If I had one more chance, I would break all this ribs with my my bare fucking hand. I'm a gangster, a fighter. You ain't, you a liar. You ain't got no pride. It's a snitch in a wire. The fan base know that your gangster is dying, so I won't stop till that wankster retire. I'm gone. You niggas had a chance, now the shit is over. My turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Don't be mad at me, cause I kept it real. It's my turn, my turn, my turn.
Shout to all the official stores out there that carry the big mic joint.
Let the sun roof back and I keep on coasting.
IU Baltimore, streetinfo.com. X and
Rap
Boston.
niggas hate and they smile in my face. You rapping niggas mad cause the turtle won the race. And the radio debate, what the fuck they gon' play? All the hot shit is my shit, they take what I say. Play Scrabble with my words, put it on the front page. Then they go find a picture of 50 and Dame. Say it's East versus West, New York and LA. Since I don't button up, now I'm beefing with Jay. And apologize second, you niggas is reckless. You're not gon' bait me to beef with a legend. My pride I protect in the streets, I respect it. I'm not trying to replace Pac, so accept. After 5 million records, the Dr. Dre lectures and 3 world tours. West Coast resurrected, 1/4 of the group to my help was rejected. And I felt the pain, so I threw away my necklace. You niggas had a chance, now the shit is over. It's my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Don't be mad at me.
Shout out to man, Young Len.
It's my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. 24 long hearts on that 06 road. It's my turn, my turn.
Log on, check me out. MySpace.com/DJ Big Mike Official. Yup.
After 20 magazines and a couple of awards, I can close the first chapter, put my blacks on the wall to the top with a billboard. Who ever knew I would sell more than Destiny's Child and you too? Or do a song with Buster, go neck and neck with Usher. When gold in the week, I'm a bad motherfucker. This gangster, disciple, and vice lord shit. Brown pride, Latin king, this is blood, this is grip. Hit the empire switch, and I keep a full clip for any nigga saying that I fuck this bitch or change cause I'm rich. Saying game used to strip, niggas wasn't saying shit till I came with a hit. Now you wanna see me dead, blood stains in his whip. Take a father from a son, put my name in cement. And after I'm gone, they gon' sample my songs. You can bury my bones, but my music lives on. You niggas had a chance, now the shit is over. It's my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Don't be mad at me cause I kept
Look for that new game out.
My turn, my turn.
Fourth quarter, fuck it.
Long hearts on that 06 road. It's my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Let the sun roof back and I keep on coasting. It's my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Hey yo man, I don't really give a fuck about all that shit y'all doing, man. Shit ain't making no noise. I'm saying that shit is bullshit, man. Why y'all niggas trying to fucking kill my motherfucking career, man? Shit, ain't gonna happen, nigga. Not as long as my motherfucking Bentley got 22-inch Lowen hearts on it, nigga. Shit, I be damn, nigga. Under the black tent like what?
Soulja Boy, tell me, I go back to bed, turn my swag on.